Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install my presets. So find the preset that I sent you. It should be in your downloads folder. It's going to be this file that ends in .xmp. If you ordered the pack, it'll have all three of them. If you ordered just one of them, it'll just have the one that you ordered. And then it'll also have a discount code. If you want to receive a discount, all you have to do is tag me using the hashtag bransonmaxwellpresets and I'll send you a discount. But basically, to install these presets, you want to show Lightroom how to find this file. So we're going to open Lightroom. And if your Lightroom looks any different than mine, it's because there's Lightroom Classic, there's Lightroom Classic CC, and there's just Adobe Lightroom. And all of them have a slightly different way of importing presets. This is the main Lightroom, so I will show you how to import on here. And if this isn't what your screen looks like, then do my troubleshooting video and I'll show you how to import your presets there. So up here, you want to go to Lightroom, Preferences, and then make sure you're in the Presets tab, and then click right here on the left, Show Lightroom Develop Presets. Click into Settings, and then this is where you want to drag the preset. So I'm going to click Command and highlight all my presets, or you can just drag and drop right into that folder, and then exit out of everything. Exit, exit, exit. Preset should be there. Just make sure you're in the develop module, and then your presets are going to be here on the left. They will be under Branson Maxwell presets, and all you have to do is hover over it and click on it to apply your preset. Make sure to watch the how to edit video to see how I edit these and how to make them really look super creamy and bright and light, and how to get the best out of the photo. So watch that video, and then anytime you post a photo, please use the hashtag bransonmaxwellpresets and I'll send you a discount code. Thanks for watching.